Chito, gifted. Blim, bum, bum, blim. Hello, anime lovers and Japanese music lovers. My name is Ko, a native Japanese vocal coach based in North America. Now, I'm gonna break down how to sing Blim Bum Bum Bone by Creepy Nuts in this video. This song is the second opening of Mashle, so this song is really difficult even for Japanese people. But I'm gonna break it all down nice and easy, so by the end of this video, you'll be able to sing this Bling Bum Bum Bone. So let's get started. And by the way, if you're interested in how to sing Japanese songs, I have a Japanese singing mastery guide in the description below. And if you're really serious about improving singing Japanese songs, I do offer online singing lessons, so go ahead and click the link below in the description to learn about more details. And before I dive right into breaking down all the sections, I'm just gonna talk about the general tips to sing this song. And one of the things to note is like he uses a lot of different type of voices. Like he sometimes uses like strong voice and sometimes uses like really gentle voice. When you're just kind of learning this song, you can listen and look into the way he changes voice, because this is something you can use. So as you can see in here, like he uses a lot of different stresses, like some kind of nasal, dark head voice. Instead of going like Cheeto gifted, I wasn't wanted, he uses like the high head voice going like Cheeto gifted, I wasn't wanted. So he uses a lot of that, the head voice and chest voice switch in the song. And also just knowing all these stresses written in red letters, and just knowing these stressful. Well, knowing where to stress these lyrics, it will just help you tons. And all the up signs you see in this lyrics, this is nasal, dark head voice. He uses something like, instead of going like, Cheeto, gifted, and he uses a little bit of a darker head voice sound, and also using a little bit of nasality, Cheeto, gifted, I wasn't wanted. So he uses a lot of that nasal head voice sound. So that's what's kind of unique in what he does. Okay, moving on to the next one. ライバル口を揃えて. Notice that the upward sign goes up into the 口をそ, like a little bit of a nasal, dark nasal head voice. And ライバル口を揃えて. And this time he doesn't go into that head voice note. He just goes down, just got a different variation going. Eh? For the third one, バグで、マグで、認めなぜって. Having that head voice again. マジで、これはもう全部のまみで. Again going into that nasal, dark head voice. So just adding a little bit of pronunciation tip here. So when you see 口を揃えて, when you see this WO, most of the time in Japanese singing, you don't have to say 口は. You don't have to say the W. 口を揃えて. So, ライバル口を揃えて. Just saying O. 口を揃えて. So for the next section, the it's namame section, right? So this is like really kind of a whispery voice section. Before that, you're going like really energetic. But for this section, you want to go kind of whisper, going like it's namame, yeah. Like really kind of soft, like even whispery. So that's how you want to start. Then after that, you're going down and go like blim bum bum, blim bum bum boom, blim bum bum boom, boom boom, like really low. So in this verse section, there's a new voice that Arshite starts to bring in. So this is more so like a little forward speaking. Just so it's different from that one we did the intro, or like it's different from that. So, and this is like newer, almost like a rap kind of voice that he uses. So this section has some pitch happening. So going like just so this last section, it goes down. And it just stays there. I gotta get how to be happy. It goes down. And again, like check out these stresses, like really unique though. It goes like, and before that, it was just like stressing on the very first syllable. But for this one, it happens right in the middle of the word. So it just kind of gives a different feel to it. And for the next line, it goes like, 相変わらず脱皮していく毎日. So again, there's a different voice happening. There's a little bit of a darker, I couldn't stop it, shake my niche. Having a little bit of a darker, belty kind of sound. So that's like the different style that he's bringing in here. At the end, another voice coming in. So this is a kind of smooth, gentle voice. It's a little different from like a, like that's quite breathy. But this is more so like, gentle, legato, almost like there's a character to it. Yeah, again, check that head voice section. So it goes like it goes into head voice and come back down. So the next section here, notice these stresses and also the head voice section. So in this akireteru section, and it's bracketed, this is almost like a speaking section. This is like there's a word play happening here. So akireteru, there are two different meanings to this. So the bracketed one is like, oh, he's pissed off. So you want to kind of, look back and go like, oh, he's pissed off. Akireteru mari. And this akireteru has a different meanings to it. It's like exasperated. Everyone around is like, too strong. Mashle is just too strong. And that's what's the meaning of it. So that's what it's kind of talking about in this line. And after that, happy. And after that, it'll go like, so it doesn't go like it doesn't go like dark belt. So this is another like a bright, strong voice. Then after that, notice I've written this extra strong stress. So it kind of strong, but it also kind of cuts off. So I guess kind of cuts off quite quickly. All right, let's get into the exciting section. For this section, there are two different voices. And when you sing, it has like a semitone movement here. This is something you want to kind of get, this mysterious semitone movement. And after that, you'll go into like, for the best, I'm the best, oh yeah. And this is dark, strong high notes. And after that, like, to the next, to the each one way. Whisper, strong, whisper, strong. And this is how this section goes. Here we go. Now, the chorus section. To break it down, for the B on the Bling on the B, you want to be extra strong. So instead of going like bling, bling, like b, like you want to have the strong like plosive sound happening. And also for the L, like tongue trill kind of sound, more like brr, brr, brm, brm. And at the end, it's like G, but you want to add some M to connect to the next phrase. So it goes like brim bum bum brim bum bum brim bum bum boom. And you don't want to cut brim bum bum brim bum bum. Like if you cut here, it doesn't give the right feel to this. So brim bum bum brim bum bum. So this is the rhythm and this is the connection that you want to do in this chorus. And at the end, to the next, to the each bound way. And you go back to the darker tone. And this sums up blim bum bum boom here. Thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. And I know there's this 8-day unavailable section right after this and second part and everything. So I actually made this full entire tutorial video. So if you're interested in watching that, you can purchase from the description below. And if you like the video, please go ahead and like and subscribe. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video. Bye!